Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do screen blending in CapCut PC. So if you have a main video and also overlay, you need to blend the two videos, and here I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here I have already imported the main video and I want to add a video again as overlay. Let's say I want to add this let's just add this black overlay into this clip. So I'm going to just drag it in here, and now you can see my video has been blocked by the overlay, so you need to do the screen blending. So what you need to do is just click on the overlay and scroll down under the basic in here until you find blend. Click on show, click on the drop down in here, then select the mode that you want. So for example, here I'm going to just go with overlay, and here you can adjust the opacity to your liking, just like this, so that the main track will be blended with the overlay. And that's it. So you can just choose the mode that you want and adjust the opacity to your liking. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.